You look at the board. All flights from London to Paris have been cancelled. All flights from London to Paris have been cancelled. Again, another example. Terrorists hijacked a flight from London to Paris. We went on a flight from London to Paris. But there may be a flight, you may be in the airport, something in such situations. That is the flight from London to Paris. What you need to observe is, we had discussion on the usage of the noun. We had discussion on the usage of a noun. The usage of a noun. Any noun can be used as a subject. Any noun can be used as object. Any noun can be used as prepositional object. Of course, noun can also be a complement. Again, put-in appositions can be just after noun. If considering the situation, we can use put-in appositions. My cousin Mohan will come to Anandapur tomorrow. My cousin Mohan, both are same there. Mohan is in put-in apposition to my cousin. Anyway, you know about these things, anyway, is it not? Here see, observe this. All flights from London to Paris have been cancelled. All flights is the subject. For this subject from London to Paris, it is not that all flights on particular day have been cancelled. So sometimes because of bad weather, all the flights from any place to any place have been cancelled. Sometimes it happens. But because of some reasons, but on particular route like the flights is given for all flights. This is the subject. For this noun, the phrase has come. All flights from London to Paris. This phrase is here for this noun. That is the reason this phrase is an adjective phrase. It is not that whenever you speak an English sentence, it is not that you must use adjective phrases always. For example, there can be some simple sentences. There can be some simple sentences. He is a businessman. There is no adjective phrase, this and that, there is nothing. He is a businessman. Sometimes the situation demands you to use adjective phrases. For example, students with a goal have direction in their career. Students with a goal have a direction in their career. They choose particular specializations. They achieve their goal. They will achieve. Some quality is given. Students with a goal. With a goal is an adjective phrase to the students there. I like students with a goal. Being a teacher, I like students with a goal. What kind of students they are they? Students with a goal. With a goal is an adjective phrase to the students. Now the students, the word is in object phrase. Students can be subject, students can be object, students can be complement, students can be prepositional object, because students is a plural noun. Are you getting my point? If the situation demands you to use an adjective phrase with any preposition, usually adjective phrases are created with some prepositions. Now, students with a goal, with is preposition. With is preposition. Here, all flights from London to Paris From is preposition to from. So noun is there, adjective phrase is here. We have discussion. Noun is subject, noun is object, noun is complement, noun is prepositional object. So adjective phrase can be to the subject, adjective phrase can be to the object, adjective phrase can be to the complement, adjective phrase can be connected to the prepositional object. Here see, we met on a flight. On is preposition. After on, the noun, a flight. That flight is from London to Paris. From London to Paris is an adjective phrase. This adjective phrase is connected to the prepositional object. That is what always I repeatedly stress. It is an adjective phrase. Preposition can be changing and some nouns can be changing. Students with a goal always see the structure, don't see simply words. If you see the hidden structure in the sentence, you are blessed. You can become master. You can become a master. You can become an expert in English within 2 months. See the hidden structure in the sentence. Here, subject. Hidden structure is adjective phrase is connected to the subject. Of course, the overall have been cancelled. Of course, present perfect. All the flights from London to Paris. That is present perfect sentence structure. But notice that adjective phrases are there. If you realize, if you acknowledge adjective phrases, how are they prepared? Why are they prepared? Why are they used in English sentences? How are they used in English sentences? If you know how to use now, you can easily use adjective phrases comfortably. Any more doubts? Here, this is the flight from London to Paris. Here the flight is complement to the, that is the flight from London to Paris. The flight is complement, but this complement adjective phrase is connected. They are the students with a goal. They are the students, they subject are the students. They are the students with a goal. I like the students. I like the students with a goal. I like the students with a goal. Students with a goal have a direction. Again, I am talking about the students with a goal. I am talking about the students with a goal. For example, if the students have any goal, they need some guidance. Guidance is needed to the students with a goal. If you don't have a goal, how can I guide you? Tell me what is your goal, I'll guide you. Is it not? I am looking for the students. I am looking for the students with a goal to guide them. I am looking for the students. After for the students are there. After the students with a goal is there. I am looking for the students with a goal. It is not that should we use adjective phrases? Should we create adjective phrases with the from, or should we create adjective phrases with only? With any preposition. With any preposition, you can create adjective phrases. You can create adjective phrases. Through, on, for, to, according to, at. There are many prepositions. With those prepositions, sensibly, you can create adjective phrases. To use adjective phrases, you need to have clarity on nouns. If you know how to use nouns, you can connect adjective phrases wherever they are needed. But it is not mandatory. But if the situation demands, you must use adjective phrases wisely. If there is no demand, if there is no need to use any adjective phrase in the sentence, it is not needed. It is optional. In English sentences, adjective phrases are optional. Optional means depends on context. Any more doubts?